everyone. If you're looking forward to start your online career in teaching, training or tutoring, and if you're good at any skill, it can be dance, it can be music, it can be art and craft, or it can be teaching any subject, do watch this video, as I'm going to tell you about one app in this video where you can find students for your classes. And if you're a student, you can find verified teachers and trainers here. So stay tuned with me. My name is Trilekha and you're watching Luck to Learn. People earn good amount of money by teaching online. In fact, I myself teach on various platforms. If you want, you can go in the description box and check out the details in case you want to know in detail what I do. Now, let me talk about this app. If you are a fresher, to begin with, you must start registering yourself in various tutoring websites and apps. That's what I did when I started. Education Champ is one such app where you can register yourself for free. There is a premium membership also. If you want, you can go for it. Now, how does it work? There are two ways you can teach here, online and offline. And I think most of us these days prefer online due to COVID-19. If you prefer offline, you will have to go to students' place in your locality and you can teach like a home tutor, or you can call them to your place also. Education Champ connects students and teachers from the same location. Suppose you are a dance teacher or a maths teacher. Now all the students who are looking for a dance teacher or maths teacher will be shown your profile. If your profile suits their criteria, for example, your rating is good, your reviews are good, your fee seems affordable to students, you will get your student then and there. I would suggest you to keep your fee minimum when you start in the beginning, because you can attract more students this way. Also, Education Champ keeps some part of your earning, which is obvious because no one does anything for free, and after all, you're using their platform to make your career. Now the question comes, how soon can you get students? Suppose you register, and if you have a good rating, if you have good reviews, you will start getting students as soon as possible. In case you do not get students for a month, you can speak to them. Most feasible thing about Education Champ is you can start teaching here through your mobile. So you don't need laptop or a desktop, but you will definitely need a good connection, good internet connection. Also, you should have Skype ID. Skype ID is a free software like Zoom where you can see each other. I mean, you can see yourself and student and you can conduct your classes. I will take you through the app, but before that I want to tell you a few things. If you're thinking to start your online career in teaching, training or tutoring, when you teach online or offline, that is when you go to students' place or when you call them to your place to give tuitions, the most challenging part is to get the payment. It's just really embarrassing to remind them again and again for the payment, right? So these apps, what they do is they take payment in advance from the students, and hence the financial part becomes more secure and you don't have to ask them again and again to pay your fee. Nothing happens overnight. It takes a lot of time to establish yourself as a tutor or a trainer in any of the tutoring platforms. So once you register, don't just sit and wait. Go upgrade yourself, upgrade your skills, learn something new. Do your work honestly but smartly and you will get the results. As Education Champ is also in the stage of developing and establishing itself, so the competition is not very high here. So to begin with, I feel this is the perfect platform. Now everyone cannot go and teach in Byju's and Vedantu. There are many good teachers who are not able to reach these platforms because of their hiring process. So you can start with such apps and you can begin your online career. Once you establish yourself, you will definitely get more and more students and you can start earning pretty good amount of money. Alright, so let me show you how does this app looks. Okay, I have already downloaded it from Play Store. You have to go and type Education Champ without space like this, and it will look something like this. Once it get open, then you can see I have registered myself as a tutor, so I have given all the details and address proof, identity proof and all that you have to upload here. Now there are various sections, so in case you want to know in detail about their policy and about the company, what they do other than this, you can go to About Us, Help and Support, and here you will get all the information. There are many features, as you can see, tuition, other courses. Okay, just a minute, there is something left in my profile, so it is giving me incomplete profile. I'll do it later on. Okay, other courses, hobby classes, buy books. Once you register your profile completely, then only you are going to see all the features. All right, so if your school or any institution also, you can get students, so you can register also. You can also register, I mean to say. All right, so that's it. Now I think you can explore the app once you register on your own, do some research and do apply. Alright, if you're watching me for the first time, do subscribe to my channel. I make videos on parenting, English, work from home and many other things. So to get the new update and to get the notification, do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching me.